Changing the slider tray and screen with a center can be done safely and efficiently by following the procedures outlined in this video. Before starting screen changes, be sure to follow your company's lockout/tagout procedures. 1. For your safety, turn off the power supply and ensure it is locked out. 2. Disconnect all flexible discharge connectors from the frames and covers related to the screen change. At this point, the machine is exceptionally dirty. Cleaning the unit with water or air spray would be helpful before removing or installing the screen. 3. Loosen and remove the center tensioning device. 4. Loosen and remove the outer V-clamp ring using a 3/8" drive ratchet with a 6-point deep well socket. Pass the tools around the separator so nothing accidentally falls onto the screen. 5. Raise the spacing frame off the screen slowly. If the screen is lodged in the frame, carefully separate the two. 6. Remove the screen and set it off to the side. 7. To secure the screen properly, take the time to thoroughly clean both the spacing frame flange and straighten any bends that contact the new screen gasket. 8. Remove the sliders and check them for wear. Replace any sliders that are significantly smaller than their original height. 9. Remove the nylon spacer from the all-thread center stud and then remove the perforated plate. Inspect the perforated plate for any cracks or wear around the outside edge and ensure that the all-thread center stud is straight. 10. Adjust the lower part of the center locking device so that it is firmly against the bottom of the perforated plate and the perforated plate is centered. 11. Place the nylon spacer over the all-thread center stud and place the new sliders on the perforated plate. Refer to your owner's manual for the proper amount of sliders or contact the Midwestern Industry Sales Department. 12. Install the new sizing screen and replace the spacing frame. Make sure the screen and frame are centered on the lower frame. 13. Install the V-clamp ring. If your clamp ring has a quick release over the center latch, secure before tightening. The clamp ring should be tapped moderately with a rubber mallet during tensioning to ensure it will seat properly. Tighten the clamp ring bolt evenly on each side of the clamp ring to ensure even tightening. Pass the tools around the separator so nothing accidentally falls onto the new screen. 14. Make a final adjustment to the lower center locking device. Install square tubing and lock nut of the center locking device. While securing the square tubing, tighten the lock nut. For additional information or questions, please contact Midwestern Industries at 877-4-SIZING. Visit our website at www.midwesternind.com or email us directly at sales@midwesternind.com.